Good morning. Maybe I should get some B-roll of what we're doing today. B-roll.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, comma and a comma.
So the first thing when making a video script is to identify the audience. Who is the video for? What is the video going to be about to help whatever issue that person is having, because your video must bring value. So in order to do that, you need to identify your audience. So today we're going to identify our audience together. The reason why we identify an audience is because we want our content to resonate. We want it to be relevant to whoever is watching it. The key word here is relevancy. So this channel is all about creativity. So the video that we're going to plan from, I'm going to use this content. You know, can't be out here planning and scripting with you guys and not making my own video. Doesn't make sense. So we're gonna script a video for growing on YouTube, right? So growing on YouTube, our audience would be someone who's interested in growing on YouTube. Our audience would be, it would be small YouTubers, creators, videographers, anyone with an interest in YouTube, basically. So that's our audience. Because YouTube is like a big ocean with a lot of fish, with a lot of different ages, I'm not gonna bring this down to age or anything of that nature. But this basically gives you an idea of how to make your video. So if it was, for example, a beauty channel, you'd say audience, female or male, interested in makeup, how to apply makeup, something of that sort. You get it? You get it. Okay, so that's our audience. So next we need to choose a goal. So when I'm choosing a goal, I think of what question is my video going to answer. It tells the viewer what direction the video is going to go in, and it answers a specific question. And I basically have a conversation with you about it. I just think of a question that a person in front of me would ask, and then I answer that question. So that's choosing your goals. Okay, so we choose a goal. I'm gonna make this video about overthinking on YouTube. So choose a goal. A goal would be to stop the creator from overthinking on YouTube. Answering how to stop overthinking on YouTube. The tube of the U. That was so awkward. So after we've chosen this goal, this is a good part of the video to put a call to action. So I'd probably say something like, in this video, I'm gonna be speaking about how to stop overthinking on YouTube. If this video resonates with you, please hit the like button. Yeah, that's what a call to action would look like, I think. Okay, let's just add that in there. So next we're going to choose a character. Our video is essentially a story. A story has a beginning, a middle, an end, and a character. And if you haven't already watched my video on storytelling, basically how to storytell, please do watch. I'll put it in it's probably gonna come up right now on the screen. And yes, so we're choosing a character because we're creating a focus. So in this instance, the main character would be me. I'd say the main character is Javette, a young creator interested in growing on YouTube. So in this section, I'd be talking about my background story, maybe my experience. So I'd probably highlight the mistakes I made. Yeah, so I'd highlight the mistakes made when overthinking. I'd also talk about just the emotions of this character. When storytelling, we think of emotions, the setting, and like the lesson, the character. That would cover the story for the video. Okay, so next we're going to write the video script. So in the video script, we'd be looking at the audio and the visual for the video. Yeah, I think I'd make 2 columns. Like if I had a sheet of paper, that's basically what I'd be doing. I'd be making 2 columns and then just writing out what I want on the audio and the visual. So I need to put that so that you can see that, so that you can feel me. Feel me. So maybe for a video like this, I put a voiceover or the background, which links to why we chose a main character, because this is how we're going to be able to make our video. It gives the video purpose. So that's what I'm doing by linking the voiceover story to the background of the character. You get it, right? Okay. Which would be myself in this video. So voiceover story, background of the character, and the visual that I'd put with this is maybe me filming myself working at a computer, clips of old videos. While the voiceover is playing, I could also have clips of me frustrated. How would I show frustration? Maybe lounging around the living room. The overall purpose of the video is to calm the viewer, help the viewer know that YouTube is not a really scary place and it doesn't take a lot to make a video. Maybe I want clips that represent calmness, clips that represent happiness. Yeah. So I don't know, however I'm feeling at the time, I'll choose a clip. I want to end the video on a happy note. That's basically how I go about planning for a script, and that helps me to build the overall story. So that is basically an example of how I put the pen to paper and begin strategizing a script. The structure that I've written with you, I apply it to every video. It doesn't matter if I'm doing a talking shot, it doesn't matter if I'm doing a fun activity or whatever. It gives your video structure, and once you have structure, any video is possible. So I hope that this video, you see my call to action, coming with the call to action, act like you don't know now. I hope that this video encourages you to write your video scripts and start planning. It's a simple format and it works. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.